Arithmetic sequence, a sequence of number whose the difference between consecutive terms are the same, and it's given by this formula a sub n equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. Now, in this formula, a sub 1 is the first term of the sequence, n is the number of term, and d is the common difference. We're going to use this formula in solving some problems involving arithmetic sequence. Example, we have first 5 terms of the arithmetic sequence, and these numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. What we need to do is to find the 18th term of the sequence, and the 18th term probably is going to be somewhere here or maybe even further. So to find that number, we need what we need is to find variables that we need to use in this formula. So for this sequence, we find a sub 1, which is the first term, and we can also find the common difference. The first term here is 2, and we will use this later in the formula, and the common difference is just to subtract 4 to 2, 6 to 4, 8 to 6, and 10 to 8. And you will notice that we have the same differences, which is 2. Therefore, our first term is 2, and our common difference is 2. Now, using these variables, we will be able to find the 18th term by applying it to this formula. So by direct substitution, a sub 1 is 2, and d is 2. The n right here, sorry, n right here is what we're looking for, and in this problem what we're looking for is the 18th term. So to replace our formula, we have a sub 18, which is the 18th term, equal to a sub 1, which is 2, plus the quantity of 18 minus 1 times the common difference, which is 2. By simplifying further, a sub 18 equals to 2 plus 17, because I subtract 18 minus 1. So we have 17 times 2 equals to 2 plus 34, and a sub 18 equals to 36. So the 18th term of this arithmetic sequence given by the term 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10 is 36, because if we're going to count from 1 to 18, will give us the 18th term of 36.